guys are familiar when you got a big window like this one with window light coming in and you're shooting it, you've either got the window light super bright and the walls look right, or the window looks right and the walls are messed up. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an HDR. I'm going to shoot it both ways and show you, and then we're going to do another window and I'll show you. So the first thing we're going to do is just shoot it normal. And then we're going to move it to HDR. I'll show you how to do this in the camera in just a second. We're going to set it to 3 stops. We're just going to hand hold it. So we did that window. So now I'm going to do a door and another window. So let's set that one up. So now we're going to shoot for this window and this window. And we'll do that again. We'll have either bright sunlight coming in or we'll have the walls looking right. So we're going to do the HDR plus 3 again. And I'm just hand holding it. And then we'll shoot one normal like we would have gotten if we turn this off. And you can really see a difference in the window. You can see out the window instead of things being blown out. You can see details. So let me show you how to set this up in the camera. So we go to our menu. Hopefully you can see that. We go to red 5. We go to HDR mode where it says off. Where it says disable, we turn it on and we roll it down to 3. That gives us 3 over. And then we just close it. We want HDR image only. We're going to do Art Vivid, get a little brighter colors. Then we just push the button. It shoots 3 images. And then we have our picture. So that's all there is to it in the camera. Just turn it to HDR. I adjusted it for +3. That way you can shoot it and it combines it all into one shot. Down at the bottom you can change it to multiple pictures, but I just soon have it in one shot and have 3 to full width. So HDR +3, shoot it, and you'll get a nice even shot of the window. You'll get the details out the window. You'll get the details on the wall, the details out the window over there, and the details on the wall. So for helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, have a good day.